Watch it. Watch this now. Oh my god. The birds, guys. Hey, good morning, my beautiful people. Hey, it's a beautiful day today in Toronto, Canada. I just want to tell you guys here now, I love you guys. I just want to share something really quick with you guys. Here now, for the last 4 years, you know what I've been doing? I saw a cardinal bird in a, this is this red beautiful bird. They say if you see it, it's like an angel visit you, right? And I saw one 4 years ago, and I couldn't believe how beautiful this bird was, right? And this bird kept coming back every winter, right? And what I started to do 4 years ago, I started to feed these birds, right? And do you know, I have about 7 or 8 of them. So are these my children? Are these my children? Watch that. You wouldn't believe how amazed. I will sit down and watch these birds for hours at a time. And I just want to tell you guys, watch now. Take a closer look at nature. Protect your mental health. Protect your physical health. And stay healthy, people. We live in a time where we always have to be on top of the game. You understand? So that is it. I love you guys and thank you for joining me.